Good morning. Well, we're off to a market today. Last night, just came back to the hostel, slept, and then woke up and just went to like the rooftop and had a couple of beers. And there was some live music, met some people, chatted and stuff. And now I'm waiting for my grab. He's here. Yeah, drink.
Yeah, okay.
Is that what you? Oh, one sec. Good.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah. So this should take around about 15 minutes. So we have arrived at Chattook Chalk Weekend Market. I've butchered that name, but we're gonna go and see what it's like inside. Yeah, baby brothers. They have dogs. Oh my god, look at this little. Oh, is that it is? Huskies. Oh. Ow! That was a glass wall. It's a little puppy. Scooby snack. Literally come to like the ex-bully corner. Oh my god. Get some of these. They've all got like all the like awards as well. Like, oh, look at these. How cute! Oh my god. There's like loads of them. How cute. It's crazy how many like animals there actually is in here. All cats. They literally have everything. But the dogs is always a mad one. This market is so big. I literally keep getting lost, walking around in circles. But if you can see, it literally just goes forever down there, each way. I don't know why the first place that I bumped into was Bet Corner with hot dogs. It's just got like all your like your North Face and your hats and all stuff like that. I got myself a mango smoothie. This market literally has everything. Like I've just been walking around now. Got lost about 4 times, but I'm now in like the art part. I've been through like literally everything you could think of. It's actually quite cool to be honest. But I'm sweating in here. I just bought a t-shirt, a Forrest Gump t-shirt. It's unreal. Can't wait to show you. The only problem is, it's white. But I had to grab it. I love the quote. Oh my god, there's so much. So much. So I've just come out of the market now. I spent like a while there looking around. I pretty much did it all. My grab should be here any minute now. god, I don't think that's ever gonna get old, you know. Oh, I need to sit down just for a second. Oh my god. Oh my god, my heart's pounding. The amount of like overtaker and filtering, literally like, oh like, oh that was immense. Like I'm sweating because it's hot, but I'm sweating because I'm nervous as well. Jesus Christ. Oh, my legs hurting as well because like clenched my ass that much. One thing though, I could do with having some food, but like proper food, you know what I mean? I'm not joking. But I could do with some like, if there's McDonald's, I'm gonna go grab McDonald's. Just after recording that last clip, I walked around the corner and there's McDonald's. I'm having a Mackey's. Yeah. I got the spicy chicken burger with fries and a Coke, large, and it came to 194 pounds. Pretty cheap to me. Look at that. And it says on the back, chips are lovely and salty. Burger. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Not gonna lie, that was probably the best McDonald's I've ever had in my life. It actually was so good. But they give me tomato sauce, the worst sauce in the world. That is not getting touched. Ini rai bolu. You literally have everything here, like all your puffer coats, stone having pants, literally all your shoes, quarter, average. I just came up one like floor and now I'm in like all like the mobile, like selling all like the phones and all electronics and stuff like that. Do you think this is a real DJI stuff? Oh, right, we're outside now. I didn't find anything that I really wanted, to be honest. I did go and have a walk around every single level, all 5 floors. Oh. Oh. Right, so I'm just gonna get a grab and go back to the hostel now because I'm gonna start editing some of the videos from the other day, just so we can get them out in time. But yeah, look at her. Just made it back to the hostel. Just got dropped off by this geezer who was smoking a cigarette when he picked me up, and then he just started smoking another cigarette. Cheers! So I did all my editing and that, and now back on the street, had a beer, and now we're waiting to go in this restaurant here because it's supposed to be a really nice place to have Thai food. But look. So we just had our food now, and then we're going for a foot massage. I mean, I'm gonna get a back massage tomorrow before my long journey on my train, because these guys recommended to get a back massage because they had a massage, back massage today, and they said, oh, it was the best thing ever. So I look forward to that tomorrow and my foot massage right now. So I didn't actually go for a foot massage, I actually went for a back massage. And oh my god, some of the position she got into on my back was immense. I'm definitely going back there tomorrow for an hour, not half an hour.